Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing the What White People Eat challenge. So I was challenged by Cana's World to do this challenge, and the originators of this challenge were two girls, one mukbang, and then I believe ItsJuandaWoo was the first one to do it. I will leave everybody's links in the description box below, so go check theirs out. And yeah, so today what I have for you is pork chop, Uncle Ben's rice, and baked beans. Okay, now I was in Cana's World live and I was asking because what I wanted to do was craft dinner with hot dogs inside of it. And then Cana gave me crap. He's like, you got to be more creative than that. Let me just raise you guys a little bit. And yeah, so, and I'm like, you know, I cook all the time. So I wanted a break. This was my one time out for a quick meal. But still, this was quick. The only thing I really made was the pork chop. So what I use for this meal is, for the beans, no, that's in French, the Bush's baked beans with pork. And I'm also adding to my Uncle Ben's 5-minute rice, Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. So let's start and dig in. Oh, and if you're offended by this, well, what do you want me to tell you? It is what it is. It's all in good fun. And yeah. So, again, I was in Cana's World Live and I was asking, and Chad W suggested pork chops. And that triggered a memory. So, this is just some Coke. I am going to be pouring cream of mushroom soup all on my rice and on my pork chop. It's going to be hard to eat right now. I think I have to turn this somehow. I really never eat pork chops. Very, very rarely. It's been years. So we will see. Let me see how this is going to work. Sorry, guys. All right. So, yes. So, Chad suggested pork chops. And it got me to thinking because my ex, the father of my two older children, is white as white comes. And me, I didn't grow up, like, I grew up eating Italian food only. Like, my parents never ordered food. They never bought, like, I think I had tried Kraft dinner or mac and cheese, the box stuff, once, and I didn't like it when I was a kid. I mean, when I got older, yeah, I'll eat it now, but hot dogs, no. We never ate that stuff. It was very rare. I really stuffed this dish. So me and my ex, we met. He was a chef of a restaurant and I was a cook. And that's how we met. Obviously, eventually we moved in together. And all that fun stuff. Let me do this. And I always found it so funny because we never had Uncle Ben's rice growing up. And he was a chef of a fine dining restaurant. So you would think you would come home and you'd have like a gourmet meal. No. I'm not gonna lie, I love rice and cream of mushroom soup. No, and this was like one of his favorite meals, like pork chops, rice with cream of mushroom soup, and it had to be the Bush's baked beans. He also liked to have like craft dinner and just really simple things. So I would make that stuff when at that time. Like now, I would make it for him, but this is not something I normally eat, but it's bomb. And my kids, my older two kids, will like love to eat this kind of food too. So I do make it from time to time. But usually I don't buy pork. So I just usually do the rice, and we'll do like chicken breast instead. Ooh, or chicken thighs. Sorry, I'm a mess today. My plate is full. And I remember with the baked beans, once in a while my mom would get them because she really liked baked beans. We would add hot dog. I feel like we would add hot dogs to them, like with my ex. What else? I'm just trying to think. Oh, and we would, if you got the one with the pork, there was only one piece of pork, so everybody always fought over it. So because I'm the only one eating these beans, I get the pork today. Yeah, I wanted to do a couple of things. This was really fun to do because there's so many. Let me turn this so you can kind of see. I don't think I'm going to finish this pork chop. Oh yeah, and I only seasoned it with salt because we know white people only use salt. Or none at all. They don't season it. Shake and bake. So I wanted to say thank you to Chad W. for giving me this idea, because this is definitely something I've eaten. I am proud of it. What's your favorite white person food? Once in a while, I'll get like bologna, and I'll have a bologna sandwich. When I was a kid, I didn't like craft dinner, but you know, as I gotten older and eaten it, I like love me some craft dinner. Not gonna lie, sometimes I do have a craving for it. Maya, I can hear you. What are you doing, weirdo? Okay, go do that in your room, not Marla's room. I like Uncle Ben's. I make basmati rice quite often. But sometimes, I don't know. Hurry up, Uncle Ben. Five-minute rice. My kids really like 5-minute rice. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually a pretty juicy pork chop. I'm making a total mess. Oh well. Other white people food I love shepherd's pie. Oh my god. I love me a good shepherd's pie, man. I could have done mashed potatoes, but I feel like a lot of people did mashed potatoes. I love mashed potatoes. Holy shit. What else? With some white people food. Any kind of pasta with like the jarred tomato sauce, I feel. Or butter pasta. Hot dogs for sure. Fried egg sandwiches on like Wonder Bread with Kraft single cheese. I'm not going to tag anybody to do this. If you want to do it, go ahead and do it. But again, it is 2 Girls One Mukbang challenge. Hashtag what white people eat challenge. Yes, I'm doing that. Hot dogs and scrambled eggs. If you want to do the challenge, yeah, just research, like, you can go to your nearest search engine, as my Diane would say. Also, check out the C Squad's video. They said a lot, like, of what they were thinking to do. I wasn't sure what vegetable to do. I was going to do either canned corn or canned peas. I love canned peas and corn. And when I was at the grocery store picking up like either corn or peas or whatever, in the same aisle was these baked beans. I'm like, I have to get those from the can. So I hope I did okay. As I said, this is just based on my experience of dating a white guy, what I had to make. So casseroles were a big thing as well, but I'm not a casserole person. Also, roast beef and mashed potatoes and all that stuff. But I just made a roast not long ago, so I didn't want to do that again. We like roast beef. Well, this is like a carb overload today. I'm stuffed. So, if you guys like my channel, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Also, don't forget to check out the other people who have participated in the What White People Eat Challenge. And comment down below, what is your favorite white people food? Anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.